Hallo, heute spreche ich über Studieren und Lernen und die Fächer. So we're going to talk about these two different verbs, studieren, to study, and lernen, also to study, but to learn as well. And we're going to talk about the differences between those in German and English. Then we're going to talk about the different subjects, the academic subjects, or fields of study. So you're going to want to use studieren und lernen to talk about what your academic activities are. Studieren has a smaller meaning in German than English study because it's more specific. So in English we can study at home, we can study for our driver's test and do like small level activities of learning that we call studying. Well, in German those are just called lernen, and studieren really has this idea of formal education baked right into it. So if you say ich studiere English, people are going to think that you're studying it at a university and not that you're like learning new grammar rules to improve your writing or something like that. So lernen is that process of putting things in your brain, like expanding your knowledge and grasping new concepts and things like that. That's lernen. So if you are getting ready for a test, then the thing you're doing is lernen. You say, ich lerne Mathematik, for example. Oder ich lerne Deutsch jeden Tag. I am learning or studying German every day. So you want to be careful with which verb you choose. Now, you may have this sheet of Fächer that I made. I'm just going to go through and pronounce some of the more difficult ones and go over them again for you. That way, after you watch this video, you'll be ready to make your own video and say what you study and what you're learning at the university right now. So we've got Deutsch. Klar, ich weiß, ihr lernt Deutsch. Ja, ihr seht dieses Video. If you're here, you're going to be learning Deutsch. Okay, English, das ist klar. Spanisch, Französisch, that's French, Japanisch for Japanese, Gebärdensprache for sign language, Literatur, das ist klar, Kunst, that's art, Film, klar, digitale Medien, Medienkommunikation, Pädagogik, that's pedagogy or education / teaching, Philosophie, das ist klar. Psychologie, so that's that difficult one to pronounce. Psychologie. Soziologie, Anthropologie, those are pretty clear. Geschichte, history, Geschichte. You gotta really get that one down because there is another word that is really close to this and means something completely different. So get Geschichte down well, that way you don't have any confusion in the future. Politologie, that's political science. Wirtschaft, that would be economics. It's also the economy, Wirtschaft. Betriebswirtschaft is a nice compound word, it's business. Computerwissenschaften, computer sciences, or Informatik, like for information technology. Ingenieurwissenschaften, that's engineering. Biologie ist klar, Chemie ist klar, Mathematik und Physik. Math and physics, I think those are pretty clear too. So remember that Wissenschaft, that's the word for science. Wissen, which is knowing. Wissenschaft. And then die Geschichte, although it can also mean story, it means history. So Wissenschaft, Geschichte, Deutsch, English. Let's see. Those are the really important ones. Maybe Kunst as well. So you might take some Kurse in Kunst. So now you are prepared. You can say what you study as a major by saying ich studiere Deutsch. You probably won't use that example. Ich studiere Politologie oder ich studiere Philosophie. Ich studiere Betriebswirtschaft. And then you can also say just what you're learning in your courses. And maybe you're doing a course in some other field for your general education study, and you can say ich lerne Kunst oder ich lerne Mathematik oder ich lerne Film. Yeah, anything else that you're learning about. Okay, das ist alles für dieses Video. Danke!